Yes, welcome back Team Action. Today you are going to swipe my 4-step system to script a perfect video, and it's also going to build your brand so fast right here on YouTube.
Veena V.
Hey, it's Veena V and I boost business owners' confidence on camera and turn them from video phobics to video phenomenons. Today we are going to do this 4-step system, and it consists of 4 things. It's double T, double C. We're going to get straight into it. What is the first T, I hear you ask? T is all about tease. We've actually covered the first 2 T's already, that quickly within about 20 seconds. The first T is tease. You want to tease. You want to tease your viewer. You really want to boom the information to them straight away. What value can they expect from your video, especially here on YouTube? People ain't got time to watch a 1, 2 minute, even 30-second long intro. They want you to get straight to the point. How can you help them? So the first T is tease. Tease what the video is going to be about. If we rewind, what I did, I said right at the beginning, as soon as you clicked play, I'm going to teach you, you're going to swipe my 4-step system on how you can create these perfect videos, how you can script videos. That was all done in the T's. The second thing you need to do, and it's the other T, that is your tagline. This will build your brand so fast if you nail your tagline. What the heck is a tagline? A tagline is something you say at the beginning of every single video, not just for YouTube, all the videos that you're going to create in the future. Your tagline is specific to you. My tagline is specific to me. So I say, hey, my name's Veena V and I boost business owners' confidence on camera. Can you see how short, how concise? As soon as you hear that, you know what I do straight away. So I want you to pause this video right now and write down, what is your tagline? What do you want to be known for? Which kind of people and which niche are you targeting? And a little hair flick tip for you here is that, remember, this needs to be uncomplicated. Keep your tagline as simple as possible. From this day forth, you are going to notice so many YouTubers have a tagline right at the start of their video. One of my favorite people on YouTube at the moment, love his videos, is DOUGHTY, and at the beginning of every single one of his videos, he says,
welcome back to another video. My name is Aaron and I help people expand their consciousness.
So can you see how concise and clear his tagline is? Use that inspiration, use mine as inspiration, and get your tagline slotted in to your video structure. Before we get into the last 2 really important steps of this 4-step formula for you, if you are loving this video, if you like this content and it's helping you so far, please subscribe and click that bell so you get notified every single time I upload a brand new YouTube video, especially for you. Okay, so we've done tease, tagline. Now we are on to the first C, which is, of course, content. We need to be giving valuable content to the audience. I don't need to tell you, you know this already. I get it. I know it can be nerve-wracking. I know it can be like, oh my God, I'm out my comfort zone making a video. But remember that people are going to see past that. They don't care what you look like. They don't care what you're wearing. They care about the content that you are going to deliver to them. What message, what value are you going to give to them? Are you going to inspire them? Are you going to entertain them, make them laugh? Are you going to do what I do and provide educational content? So make sure whatever you do for a living, that is reflected in your video content. I am a YouTube coach. I've trained hundreds of people, whether it be one-to-one, my online courses, webinars, workshops. But if they came to my channel and it just was nothing to do with YouTube or confidence or presenting, they're going to be like, what? What is going on? So if you really want to build your brand super fast online, make sure it is complementing what it is you do and deliver in your business. And finally, the last step is CTA, call to action. People are fickle. Yes, we all are. we all are. If you're not giving people a clear call to action at the end of your video, they're just going to disappear and never watch you again. You're going to see how I do my call to action in a minute. You really need to remember to tell your audience what to do next, because if you don't tell them what to do, they are just going to go and end up watching cat videos or dinosaurs or whatever trend is out on YouTube at the moment. Just please make sure at the end of every single video you give your call to action. Thank you so much for watching this video. There you go. You've just swiped my 4-step system to script your videos. TEASE, tagline, content, and call to action. And if you're a beginner to YouTube and you want to learn the 5 steps you must follow for a successful YouTube channel, plus, if you want thousands of video ideas, I'm going to reveal to you my top tools to make sure that I never ever run out of YouTube video ideas. You got to come to my free webinar, but make sure you turn up on time to the free webinar, because right at the end I'm going to give you a copy of my slides for free as well. So you get a free webinar and you get free slides at the end. The link is on the screen and I'll drop the link below this video as well. And remember to take action today, not tomorrow. Whatever you want is just over here. It's just on the other side of that brick wall.
Don't know why. I believe we'll find a way from far behind. Hope is blind.